Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. Sorry, I'm still getting better from this cold, so sorry if I sound a little weird. But today's video, we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile and how you can finally shop online. So, I'm not a Metro by T-Mobile customer, but I do like to share these news with you. And finally, you guys can see that they have some awesome shipping stuff. So we'll get into it. I know before you couldn't even buy any phones from their website. You would have to go to a local store. That's usually how they wanted you to do it. But there's a little twist here. So let's get into it. And it says, get free 2-day shipping plus no activation fees when you buy online. So if you do go online, there's no activation fees and you get free 2-day shipping. I believe if you do buy from the store, they do charge you an activation fee. But when I went, I don't think they actually charged me. They must have waived it when I went. So I was porting my number over. So I don't know. Let's get into it though. If we click shop now, guys, check this out. It will take us to their inventory of phones that you can buy online. So save instantly, see details. So you can get an instant detail even if you're getting, you can get an instant deal, should I say, even if you're buying online, guys. So it's pretty cool. And also if you're getting a new number, so you can get a new number and still get a promotional discount on it, or if you're pulling your number in, of course you can get it free. So let's do, per example, the Moto G Stylus 5G. So this is what I'm kind of looking at. So here it is, a 3.7 star rating, cosmetic emerald. So really nice phone. I do like how it looks. Pretty cool. 128 gigs of memory. So it says in stock, estimated ship date December 5th to December 5th. That must be wrong or something because it's, May. So that, like I said, it might be just a typo there. So here we go. If you have, if you're getting a new number, you get this phone for $270. So the phone retails for $260, guys. You still get a big discount. So new number, it's for $70, which is real nice. $69.99, should I say. Like I said, the phone's $260, you get it for $70. Really good. Now, if you keep your number, aka you bring your number over from a different carrier that's not T-Mobile related, then you'll get this phone for free, which is really good. It looks nice, has a stylus pen. You can also check your coverage and everything. Now, for this option, check this guys out. If you're clicking need a new number, you can add this to the cart and you can buy it. Now, if you're keeping your number, you have to go to a store because they need to do the port-in request. So that's why you have to go to a store and get it, guys. That's one thing. So one phone that I did see that's a pretty good discount. Let's say this one right here. There you go. So the TCL 30XE 5G phone looks nice. 3.8 ratings. This phone's only $10, guys. $10, not bad at all. And you can keep your number and it'd be free. The phone's $200, so you're saving quite a lot of money with both of these deals. So same thing, new number, you can add to cart and free shipping activation. If you want to keep your number or you want to get the free phone promotion, you have to go to a local store. So let's just look at all the phones that they have. Galaxy A13 5G, the Nord N200 5G, X100 5G, 30XE 5G, Moto G Stylus, the Revel V Plus 5G, the Moto G 5G, which is the 2022 variant, which is really cool. Let's check this one out. It's a newer one right here. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. So same thing. This one's $40 with a new number or free with a port-in. So just a quick little video to tell you guys, and then from there you'll pick a plan and everything. But overall, it's pretty cool. Let's just check one other thing out. So I was just testing this out, guys. I don't know if you can see. It says, sorry, we're currently experiencing issues adding this item to your cart. Please refresh and try again. So there must be an issue currently going on right now where it's not letting you add it. Like I said, this must be something new. A lot of people are probably trying to shop online right now, so this is causing issues right now. So let's might have to try it again later. So I do kind of want to purchase this phone and try it out and give you more details, but it is what it is. But just a quick little video to let you know you can buy phones currently online and get promotions for new and existing customers. Well, it says for existing customers, you have to visit a store, but you know what I mean. Check it out.